Okay guys, if you have a question like this, you have 10 minus 2 raised to power 2, or you call it 2 square, times bracket, which is also called parenthesis under PEMDAS. You have 3 plus 1, close bracket. If you have a question like this, you can decide to solve it like this. Say 10 minus 2 raised to power 2. That's 2 times 2 times 3 plus 1. You have 10 minus 4 times, this place will give us 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So you have 10 minus 4 is 6 times 4 equals to 24. If you decide to solve this question like this, this answer is very wrong. Why is it wrong? Because of our PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is spelled PEMDAS, where the P, E is for parenthesis. Parenthesis has to do with bracket. It has to do with bracket, meaning you solve bracket first. It's called parenthesis. Then you have your M, which is for multiplication. Our D is for division. Then your AS is for addition. Yes, and subtraction. Good job. So following our PEMDAS rule, let's go over the question again. All right, pay attention. You have 10 minus 2 raised to power 2 times, open your bracket, 3 plus 1, close your bracket. If you are following your PEMDAS rule, remember what we said, that we will do bracket first. So solving everything that is inside the bracket, 3 plus 1 give us 4. Then you come here, you expand this 2 raised to power 2, will give us 2 times 2. Then minus 10. Okay guys, we are almost there. Then remember, multiplication comes immediately after your parenthesis, that's your bracket. So you deal with the multiplication first. So let's go. Your 10 is here, minus 2 times 2 will give us 4 times 4. Now you have 10 minus 4 times 4 will give us 16. Now, because there is no addition operation in this question, we're going to go straight to the subtraction. This is 10 minus 16. Now, if you have a smaller number and you are asked to subtract a bigger number from that smaller number, your answer automatically becomes a negative answer. Alright, so 10 minus 16 is equal to minus 6. This is the correct answer. Thank you for watching guys. Please like, subscribe and share.